Please take your seats. The Connections Gala will begin momentarily. Thank you.
That song, my colleagues here have a great sense of humor and they know my love for shoes. So it's great to be here. Hi, Dominic. You know I'd only do this little jig for one person, and that's you. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our 2024 Connections Gala. For those of you who may not know who I am, I'm Sarah Yerkes. I'm the former Senior Vice President of Government Relations for the Code Council. Oh, it looks like somebody missed me. There's a rowdy group, must be GR. Oh, a couple of years ago, I handed over the Government Relations Department to Gabe and to the GR team, and it's so great to be back with all of you. I'll be your MC for the evening, so you'll see quite a bit of me. But tonight isn't about me. It's about honoring individuals who have made extraordinary contributions to our industry. We'll also celebrate the Code Council's 30th anniversary. You imagine that, Dominic? When we started, 30 years have gone by, recognizing the dedication and hard work of everyone in this room who has contributed to the organization's success. We'll honor Dominic Sims, as this marks his final conference as CEO. See, Dom, I never left you. I've never been far away from you. A call, an email, I'm always here for you. And we will also bid farewell to some of our esteemed board members who have served our organization so well, while also welcoming new and returning board members as stewards of the Code Council. Now I want to extend our gratitude to the 2024 Long Beach host chapters and our generous sponsors who have helped to make this conference possible. As you enjoy your dinner tonight, we will be listening to live music performed by Luke Carlson. Luke is a rising star in the jazz scene, and we are excited to have him here with us tonight. So we'll be back shortly. Enjoy your dinner, and after dinner, we'll resume the program.